All right, a quick one. This is Hub.xyz. So if you have been following this channel, Web3 Simplified, you should know that we only drop alpha projects, right? So this is another alpha social fee that I really want us to jump into, and it's actually a farming project, and I'll be working us on a step-by-step process on how to accumulate your Hub tokens. All right. Remember, I do simple videos and I ensure that everyone is able to tag along. Why? Because in projects like this, you have to pay attention to every areas so as to be eligible for your airdrop. All right. So for those who have farmed before and on listing day or distribution day rather, you saw you are not eligible. So it's probably because you didn't pay attention to some certain areas. So please, if you are following for the first time, like, share, and also subscribe to this channel in case for subsequent update in regards to projects as this. And also, this is my WhatsApp community. You are free to join. It will be dropped in the description of this video. You can join because there are some projects I can't share on YouTube, but I have liberty to share them on my Telegram channel and also on my WhatsApp community. All right, so without further ado, let's quickly dive into the Hub.xyz registration. All right, so from your screen you can see the link description, rather just go ahead, click on the link. All right, I'll make this video very raw so that you won't miss any step. All right, now when you click on that link, you'll see join the invitation. All right, so I'm the one inviting you. You just go ahead and join invitation. So once you click on join invitation, my referral details will appear. Also try to save in case this pop up. Just try to save that, all right, so that it will give you flexibility on how to mine to farm subsequently. All right, so you go, the next thing to do is to sign in with X. Right, so remember, for any social farming, you have you need your X account, you need your Discord account. These are primary um, handles that you need for your farming. All right, so it's a simple drop. So you just go ahead and you link your Twitter, so you'll be told to follow them ASAP. This is an alpha project, and if it is not good, I am not doing it. So that's it. So I only do alpha projects. So you just go ahead and you follow them. So after you follow them, you minimize back to your Chrome, which we are using for registration. Right, so you'll be told to connect your Discord. Remember, I said you need your X account, you need your Discord account for registration. So in case you don't have any of those handles, make sure you have them. You can use them to fetch money for yourself, all right, through this project. So you just go ahead and authorize. All right, you authorize, and so let me quickly draw your attention to reason why many people receives ineligible during airdrop distribution of testnet or social file. Is because one of them, they join the handles, probably they didn't follow, and also on Discord, they join their Discord account, but they refuse to verify themselves on Discord. So when you refuse to verify yourself on Discord in any social file or any testnet project, you will be disqualified. All right, so you can see. So you click on registration verification, then you click soft captcha. All right, you just have to be patient. You can see you view the captcha. This is U2OFP5. You go ahead and select it from the option. This one is very easy. So they even gave you options already. So just to pick it, you can see verify, and make sure you drop at least one message. All right, let's go. So you can drop one message. Now the algorithm is already tracking you that you are a user, you are a valid user, you are not a bot, you are not a robot. All right, so they are already tracking your information. All right, so that's that. For that, we have completed the social verification. So the next thing to do, all right, so for those who have community, you can onboard your community, onboard your friends now. All right, just copy your link and send to them. All right, so you can view the leaderboard to see your ranking. All right, so just like that. So people are already accumulating points. The highest the highest now has accumulated up to 73,000, all right, almost 74,000. So now the next thing from our list, if we go back to the list, all right, one, use, okay, we've passed number one, we've passed number two, we've passed number three. The last one is trade or train AI by answering some questions. So all accumulated AI points will be converted to Hub during TGA, and TGA is already closed, so just make sure you are training the AI. So this is how you go about training your AI. All right, so you just click on train. It simply means interact with their Twitter handle. So everything you are doing, because you've connected your X account, everything you are doing here, they are actually tracking it. All right, so you just go ahead, repost literally every day. Whenever you come online, just make sure you follow their handle, like their new post, comment on it. All right, let's go. Nice one, guys. So you just drop messages. So what you are doing now, you are training your AI, so they are actually tracking everything you are doing. So you can also like people's posts, right? Like people's comments. Everything is being tracked. All right, so the next to do, you can see other posts. You can also do similar things to all the available posts. This is their current post that they have made available, so you just make sure you interact with their posts. All right, make sure you like literally all their posts. You can even just go to their profile and just be scrolling down, be liking and be sharing, right? So you can just do that for literally all their posts. So what you are doing now, you are stacking point for yourself. All right, you are stacking point for yourself. So just make sure you do that in all of their on it. So all right, so I don't want the video to be that lengthy. I will take my time to do everything that I need to do in regards to AI training. So I've done that now, right? I've done that now, and subsequently more updates will be dropped in regards to this project. Just make sure you are actively following me on WhatsApp and also on Telegram, so that whenever I drop any update in regards to this project, could be wallet connection, could be airdrop claims in regards to the ones we have been doing, so that you yourself will be informed as fast as possible. Please do like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.